anybody who is a trial lawyer and goes into the court will tell you it's very much a battle. There are opposing sides, and there is a playing field. It's just a courtroom, And I think my history of playing sports helps me in that regard too, because it's going to a trial is very much like having a game day. And yes, I can remember my first big victory in a courtroom. I remember my losses too, but if you're asking about victories, the one first big victory was we had a $260,000 verdict here in Cuyahoga County for somebody who was involved in a car accident, was rear-ended and pushed into the car in front of them, so they were smashed. The car was smashed up like an accordion and had damage on both ends. And the insurance company wasn't offering a dime over $18,000 to settle the case. And I remember before we started, we would go back into the judge's chambers and we would talk about the case. And the judge at the time indicated something to me along the lines like, well, Joe, the insurance company's not offering you a lot of money on this case because they feel that this is what the value is and that this is where they think this case is going to land. And I said, Judge, once you start trying to guess what people are going to do, and that's when you're going to be in trouble. When you think you know what's going to happen, that's where you got to be cautious of that, because you never really know what a jury's going to do. When the jury came back and they awarded $260,000, it was really a big, confidence boost, because I said, gee, you never know, unless you try. And so I think that was the big thing that I took out of that, is that if you feel strongly enough about your case and you feel that the facts are in your favor, don't let somebody tell you that the value doesn't have what you believe it does. And if you don't take the chance, you'll never know.